Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by matching physical connections so you avoid trial and error. Inspect the keyboard rear. Is it USB-B, 5-pin MIDI DIN, or a 3.5 sustain/TRS output? Then look at your laptop, USB-A, USB-C, or only headphone jack, and choose a cable or adapter accordingly. Once done, power the keyboard with its adapter or USB bus power so it's live. Make sure drivers are available for your OS, and note whether you'll use audio input or MIDI data. That decision shapes the next steps. Next, install necessary drivers. If the keyboard is class compliant, you may not need anything. Otherwise, get the manufacturer USB MIDI driver before connecting. Connect via the chosen interface. Plug USB-B to laptop, use a MIDI DIN to USB adapter, or route audio through an audio interface for direct sound. Open your DAW or piano app and select the keyboard as input. Set sample rate and buffer size for low latency but stable audio. Once configured, verify MIDI note messages and patch routing so the keyboard controls sounds correct. Finally, test the full chain. Play a few keys while watching MIDI activity and audio meters to confirm both control and sound. If you hear delay, reduce buffer size, enable a CO or core audio, or switch to a wired USB-C connection for better throughput. If nothing happens, stop and systematically check cables, power, driver installation, and that the keyboard and DAW share the same MIDI channel. Also confirm input monitoring or track record is enabled. If issues persist, restart devices and rescan MIDI devices.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.